natin 8 million in the house. Lolo. Magpapasko na. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa tayo nakapag-diet.
Oh, this is a
Sunset na, guys.
the town of Pahrump.
Para ako nahihilo. Sandali ah. Town of what?
It said Pahrump with a P. I guess we'll see it here in a little bit.
Oh, really? Oh, look at that. Nice. Sunset doon. Wow, na-alls. May ganun. Nakadepende sa ulam ang diet. Oh. O, hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Ayun. Na-excite lang. Maps. There's a maps, huh? Oh, that's all. I like the one that you know how.
Yeah, there's like with
the place. Maybe your phone is if it's connected.
yeah, it may be. This one here is a little bit.
Hello, hello. Padilim na. Ayan. Dito si Tinay. Tinay, di na ako nakapag ano kay Tinay. Si Tinay Creation. Dito siya. I'm going to California. Ayan. Mag-hiking sana. Pero kumain muna bago mag-hiking. Walang snow dito ngayon. So yun. Pagod lang guys. Walang tulog. Alas 12. Walang pag. Hindi na, walang time. 4 na araw lang dito. Go, go, go. So, yun. Sandali, ah. That's a nice one. Thank you. Looks at the sunset. That's nice, ah. Oo. Walang traffic, guys, dito. Oh.
Somehow we went into one lane. Weird.
Wow. Maybe because you're in the province.
Like we're getting in. I don't know. Kind of weird. Yeah, in the province.
Grabe naman mga dito, desierto. Desierto na. Sunset. Oh, may mga pulis ah. May nahuli ah. Ayan, may nahuli. Mahal kayo multa niyan pag nahuli kayo guys. $100. Oh wow, what happened? Oh, nobody's in there.
He's in the car probably.
Ah, okay.
Maybe not.
Thunder Bluff, Han. Ranch Homes.
I think that's the
Thunder
name,
Bluff.
That's the name of the subdivision.
Oh wow, we can
See
do.
right there, Pahrump.
Ah, Pahrump.
Welcome to Pahrump.
Ah, Pahrump. We can do our place.
There's a lot of houses out here, isn't there?
Yeah. They're farther though. They probably commute to.
Yeah, this commute.
Oh yeah, they go commute.
Very nice. Nice little out here. Don't have all this big city mess.
Pink box. Oh, pink box donuts. Oh. Oh, let's do that.
Yeah.
Bring it home. I can do that.
There's Mountain Falls.
Mountain Falls. Oh. Oh, look at that sunset there. That was amazing. Look at that. Ang ganda ng sunset, guys. Ang ganda ng sunset dito. Iba-ibang kulay. Ganda. Yeah. Kakain lang palang mga sunset. Crazy horse. Yeah. That's what we should call our place.